Yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna make an unboxing of this Kemei with model number 1071. Normally, I never buy hair clipper with a bubble box. I always buy with the original box, and I bought this one with the original box, but still they sent me with a bubble pack or something like that. And yeah, I don't know. But first of all, I was making a video already about how I built wall cordless senior. So I bought this cover with it and it didn't fit. I didn't know it can't fit wall cordless senior. It's just for magic clip. And now let's talk about this clipper. So now let's open it up and see what they got for us inside. So, little brush, comb, okay, 6 guide combs, because one is here, the smallest one. 3 hours fast charging, or 240 minutes operating time, and 1500 milliamp battery. So I don't know. That's it. And this one push aside. Yes. And let's take a look. This is the clipper. So this is the clipper. The charging port I don't really like. It's like on this slimline Pro Li, something like that. I don't really like it. And got something to hook on. Okay, got 5 watts. And the blade. So I don't know, the blade is somehow. I tried put a fade blade on it and I couldn't zero gap it anymore. But with the original one, you can zero gap it. And this clipper is really small, man. Really. Somehow I like it. Somehow. So the power button, it's cool. We got clicky lever, 4 clicking lever. It's still a little bit stiff. It's still a little bit stiff, but it's getting better. Before it was more stiffer. So got 4 clicking lever, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the range is not bad. See that? For me, the range is okay. It's really good. I would have really loved to change this one because I prefer fade blade. And it's really small. I really like it because then I can use it for my kids' hair. See how small? And the motor is also really small, not the normal motor. See the difference? This one is big compared to this one. And this one got, I guess, around 8,000 RPMs now. So let's check. Lever open. really cute. It's really small. You see how small?